We all know that the technologies of heat transfer is the key that will impact the printing result. And as the two main printing technology, DTF, which is direct to film, and the other one is sublimation. These two printing technologies are very suitable for those who want to start up a personalization business. So in today's video, I will show you the differences between both of them. Hopefully this will help you know better about them. Let's rock and roll! The procedures of DTF. First, design. Second, print. Third, shake powder, baking, and transfer. The procedures of sublimation. First, design. Second, cut and stick. Then, transfer. Sublimation feels exactly the material itself after printing. Well, the DTF owns a slightly gel soft feeling and stretch well. For sublimation, all the hard surface substrates need to be coated with polymer coating, while the fabric which is with more than 16 polyester can be printed by sublimation. And DTF is the best solution for cotton t-shirt decoration regardless of limitation of colors and designs. Meanwhile, it can be also applied on lots of other materials like PU leather, jeans, Oxford fabric, etc. Regardless of sublimation and DTF, both of them need high temperature to transfer, but the temperature and time are different. Linen, for example, the printing parameters of sublimation are 419 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 215 degrees Celsius, 45 seconds. The printing parameters of DTF are 302 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 115 degrees Celsius, 15 seconds only. Anyway, the printing parameters of DTF is shorter than sublimation. So guys, to sum up, DTF can print on many textiles. Sublimation fits for polyester and polyester coated fabrics, metals, ceramic. So I would say sublimation is more suitable for personalized gift customization industry. For instance, metal ornaments, mugs, all kinds of bags, and more. DTF is more suitable for personalized apparel industry. It is the new tag that got into the market in 2019, and it's getting more and more popular among die-sub fans. Dude, it is the best way for cotton t-shirts printing with no MOQ and low investment that sublimation cannot do. It really can help all the die-sub business runners expand their business into the garment decoration industry easily. Now, I believe you have a better understanding of them, right? And know what they can bring for you. No matter which printing technology you prefer, we are able to help you and serve your customers. And no need to worry about the machine's quality. The machines of DTF and sublimation have been strictly tested, and our machines have a good reputation in the industry. Besides, our agents are all over the world, which definitely can solve your problems. If you want to know more, just click the subscribe button and join up. Let's make life memorable.